Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a hamburger menu to your WordPress site. This is perfect for creating a clean, mobile-friendly navigation menu. Let's get started. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, scroll down, hover over Appearance, and then click Themes. Here you can either choose from the available themes or search for one that fits your site style. Once you've found a theme you like, click on it. Then click Activate Design. You might see a prompt to unlock premium styles. Just click Decide later if you're not ready for that yet. Wait for the activation process to complete, and once it's done, click Customize Site to start editing. Now, click on the blank part of the page to begin customizing your layout. As you can see, the menu options are just scattered across the top. So, to group them into a neat hamburger menu, let's customize it. On the top right of the editor, click Settings. Make sure you're in the block section and click the gear icon to open more options. You will see a setting for how to display the menu. Choose the hamburger menu option, and you can select the style of the icon that you prefer. Next, under Overlay menu, you will have three options. So, we have Off. This turns off the overlay. If you choose Mobile, the hamburger menu will only appear on mobile devices. But if you choose Always, the hamburger menu will always be active on all screen sizes. So for a consistent look across devices, I recommend choosing Always. And then click Save to apply the changes. Now let's click View Site to preview. And as you can see, the hamburger menu looks much cleaner and keeps everything organized in one place. And that's it! You've successfully added a hamburger menu to your WordPress site. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.